let's say I made some sort of egregious error, somewhere in here and noticed it a few rows later, or I knit something a little bit longer than I had meant it to be. I can actually, instead of, meticulously picking back each stitch, I can pick up stitches in a lower row and then just tear this out to that point. It is known as frogging. So how I would do that is I'm just going to kind of put my needle in through this side one, and then I'll actually show you on the next stitch. So on all of my knit stitches here, so all of my V's, I am going to pick up the right leg. So, and I have another V here, so I'm going to pick up that one, and I'm going to do this across the entire row, which thankfully my row is pretty little, so it's that one. It might be on the wrong row there, but it's fine. I'll figure it out after I pull back. At least I won't be dropping any stitches. So, all right, so I have this now. Oh, and I would note, I did this with a size 6 needle, so I knit this on size 8 needles. It's just a little bit easier if you drop down a little bit to get the needle in there. So I'm gonna pull this needle out and pull all the stitches out. Oh no, I was on the right row, good. Anyways, so, and this is, oh, I did drop down for this one. So I would just slide this stitch onto another needle and then knit that one and then turn around and keep going.